Hello, my name is Habib, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
This is the approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition. This model has a 55 TFSI engine, tiptronic gearbox, and quattro 4-wheel drive system, while is finished in the optional metallic Mythos Black paintwork. Under the bonnet, you'll find the turbocharged 3-litre V6 petrol engine, producing 340 PS, and delivering 0 to 60 in just 5.9 seconds, while also delivering an impressive 369 pounds-feet of torque. Starting at the front of the car, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high-quality illumination. Around the side, we have the optional 22-inch 5-arm Trapezoid design alloy wheels, as well as body-coloured door mirrors, black roof rails and window trims, with the rear privacy glass ensuring extra security for your rear seat passengers. Around the back, we have LED rear lights, as well as a power-operated tailgate, allowing easy access into the 295-litre boot space, which can be extended by folding the rear seats down to 865 litres, so you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. But fold down the second row of seats, and the space increases to 2,050 litres, so you can add in those even larger items, such as bicycles if you'd like. This model also features the electrically folding Towbar, which can be activated via the button in the steering wheel, and it will fold out like so, allowing you to tow up to 3,500 kilograms, which is perfect for those long road trips. Moving inside, you'll find Valcon leather upholstered rear seats, with the integrated ISOFIX child seat mounting points, while there's a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, as well as rear storage nets behind the front seats, climate control and power sockets. In the front, you'll find a flat-bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel and polished grey oak inlays, as well as Valcon leather upholstered front sports seats, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while they're electrically adjustable and include the 4-way electric lumbar support, as well as memory function for the driver's seat. Ahead of you, you'll find the 12.3-inch virtual cockpit with various display options, including DAB, digital radio, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, while a flick view can change the size of those dials, really adding extra customizability for the display. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch MMI Navigation Plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB, digital radio, media controls for your connected device, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping. There's Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect your device media via wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the predefined modes, with our personal favourite being dynamic as it's most driver focused. There's the optional extended LED interior lighting pack, not only with predefined colour modes, but also 30 different colour options for you to customise the interior to your preference. Additionally, there's the optional 360-degree camera system, with various views for the front, rear and side, as well as front and rear dynamic guidelines and 3D options, so you can easily navigate through tight spaces, as well as park into any parking space, especially with the park assist function. Lower down, you'll find the display for the 4-zone automatic climate control, with plenty of ability to your liking, while there's heated front seats, for the added benefit on those cold winter mornings.
This vehicle will come with a minimum 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance, and much more. For more information, please contact us on 01772 911 331 or inquire online now.